Guys, now we are in another part of Kolkata. Here I have come to visit a place called Victoria's Memorial. Don't know what it is, some kind of, I have no clue. Anyway, so let's go and see what it is. Somewhere from here the entrance will come. Got to find it. Would it come? Guys, this is the Victoria Memorial. There's a price of 30 rupees to pay for entrance. If you ask anyone, they will tell you how to get here. There's some statue in front and some very nice architectural building it is. Let's go and explore it. This is the entrance. 30 rupees for garden, gallery, another 30 rupees for garden. If you are want light and sound show, then 100 rupees like that. This is the entrance. This is the ticket towards the entrance. Today, as it is Monday, it is closed to enter inside the Victoria Memorial Hall, but we can see outside by inside the garden and something like that, and is there. Let's go and see. So guys, we have entered. This is a very beautiful place. During Britain times, some kind of Queen's headquarters it was, they were telling. I'm not sure about it. Edward Sovereign Rex Imperator. That's what written over there. But today it is closed, unfortunately. But they said behind also many things are there to explore. So let's go and see. They told not to use drone or gimbal like that things. You can shoot it in hand, they said. Yeah, so let's go. Here we can get a closer view. Let's go. And we can, people can come and see it. There's something like a lake. Here is the entrance. We can see from here also. Let's go. From side we can go. There's a Victoria Victoria Memorial. Let's walk and see. There is the garden, I guess. Those and all are the garden. There is some kind of fountain over there. Let's just simply walk. This is the side view of the monument. There under you can see some fountain, garden place. Let's just walk and see what else is there. There's a lake over there. People can walk around there and go. There's a building of Tata Steel. Let me take in another camera. There's the Tata Steel building. From here, this is the view. There is the pond, lake, something. We can walk around it. Yeah, they said it was a UNESCO spot. UNESCO. Anyway, it is clean. Like here in West Bengal, Kolkata, I found this one the most cleanliness place I could see. So there's the other side. view of the monuments from here. Let's keep on walking and see what else is there. Let's take a left from here and go straight. Over to this side I found some kind of, I have no idea what it is. Harry Potter's clock or something. There's a lake view. That's the one. Yeah, ho ho. Bronze panel. That's the painting statue. It was created for Governor Central of India in 1910. Oh, that's what it is. Bronze panel. Here's the front part. That's why I couldn't recognize what it was from the back side. There's the guy. Who is the guy? I think something. Jonathan Jameson. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Guys, we came from that side. Now let's do the exit from this side over there. Yeah. Guys, this is the exit on the side, other side. There's Victor's Memorial from this side. I think this is the front side, real front side. I am not sure. We came from the side or something. Yeah, let's go outside. And there is an interesting way of transport we can see over there. Oh, like that. Yep. In a house, and behind this chariot, and they will take us wherever we want to go. This outside. Let's go and see the next place. We can see the Illuminati symbol over there, almost like that. Instead of 5, they kept a lotus. Now let's walk towards that side and see what's there. And we can see many statues in as circles. Center point. This is the Tata Steel building that we saw from inside there, Victoria Memorial. Tata Steel. Very big building. Let's go. It's closer view of the building. Let's explore the market of Kolkata. Let's go. Walking through the markets of Kolkata. Through this. Oak Market, that's the name of this market. Many toys are kept for selling. Toys. Oak Market. Let's go. go inside. And there's one way, there's one way, there's one way, there's one way. Which way to go now? Let's see. Let's go that way. Yeah. Out of there by another exit. There are some many shops of many different items can be found here. Now we are going in a footpath like this. On every side they are selling clothes, different jewelry kind of things, imitation jewelries like that. It is well crowded too. Yes, it is. There are some building with some cloak and I don't know what it is. Let's go. So guys, ordered a thing called lancha. It's so hot. They told no, let it be there for a second before putting into mouth. It's gulab jamun with a different size again. Lancha they told, lancha. Lancha. Sweet and sweet. So guys, had lancha. It is too sweet. Frankly, I didn't like it. It doesn't taste anything like rasgulla. Just the color of it is in rasgulla's color, only that much. And it tastes like when the milk goes bad, that taste came. Not gonna eat it again. Not because it is bad, I didn't like it, that's all. Yeah. Let's keep on walking. So guys, now we are in a place called Bow Street. Bow Bazaar actually. Not street, Bow Bazaar. This is Bow Bazaar. So as you can see guys, there are many lanes built with bamboo over here and onto that side also over there. It is after some days the whole place will be crowded and they will make queues to maintain the queue system for maintaining the crowd. So for that, now itself everywhere they have kept barricades, everything, every precaution for crowd controlling. It's very nice. They prepare it. This is one of the big pandal over there. Full thing will be lighted up in the evening and the light will be reflected onto the pond also. It will be a majestic scene to be viewed. So I don't know whether I can come in the evening. Maybe I will go before that. If possible, we'll come back and see it. Let's go. The main attraction of this street is College Street is all have different kind of bookstores. Some medical, some biology, and this place is called College Square, and it is full of book stalls on both sides for engineering students, law students, everything. So That's then there is something called some coffee house here, which is very famous. Don't know why it is famous. Like, let's go and see if we can find it. We'll visit. On this side also, both sides fully filled with only bookstalls of novels here. Some more novels, some philosophical books, like that, like that. Medical, nursing, engineering, like that. There we can see ICSE, ISC, CBSE, NEET, JEE, Main. Every book can be found on the streets. Some on sides of the streets simply kept. So guys, they're telling that there's a big bundle if you follow this road, and let's go and check it out. Bigger bundle. The time is 5:10 something, 5:12. It is starting to get darker, so by the time we reach, maybe it will be full dark and we'll get the full experience. Let's go and watch it. Guys, they have note on the light set, so let's sit here for some time. They just found it, so let's go. I was sitting in a pandal, waiting for the lights to be turned on so that we can get the full experience inside the other pandal which we came from there to see. They were talking that it is very big, so let's go and find out how big it is. Let's go. So guys, this is the street. We have to go inside this road arch. Let's go. So we have came into a street like this. Let's go in. While going in, we can't feel that much because the daylight hasn't faded it. Maybe while going in and coming out, we can get more of the lighting effects. Let's go and find out how it is. It's really big. Let's go. So it's like this. Ooh. Door comes. It's all moving. There also. It's rotating actually. amazing it is. Look at that. Really amazing it is. Using that by this way we can exit. It was a nice experience, really worth coming here just for looking that. It was really magnificent, marvelous, fantastic. Let's go. Guys, look at this very beautiful kind handmade one. Wow. So guys, on both sides of the street you can find many street food items, but the problem is, like, if you are a vegetarian you can't eat, like most of the place, not most, all the places have non-vegetarian food. So if you are vegetarian you will be in middle of the problem of not having food, vegetarian food. Yeah, but other than that it's okay. Like most all the places is having non-vegetarian food, so it could be a problem for vegetarians who are visiting Kolkata. Only some vegetarian shops are available, but most of them are not good at all. So the food could be a problem if you are vegetarian visiting Kolkata. Let's go. Today is much crowded than how it was yesterday, comparatively. By this time, yesterday during this time we could at least find some empty streets, but today it's not like that. Today is Monday, so it's not like that at all. So guys, if you are visiting Kolkata and you are a vegetarian, pure vegetarian, it could be a problem. Like only very few vegetarian hotels are available. Even on streets they sell something and like Sprite and omelette, masalas, things like that. They will put Sprite and they will put egg. They'll mix it, put masala and give it to people for 45 rupees. Even if you are vegetarian, it could be a problem to eat from here. But good food also is there. I'm not telling it is not. You just have to find it You just have to keep on hoping to find the right shop and keep on walking. That's all we can do. Everywhere we can hear songs full of celebrations. All of the street has started to light up very nicely. Very nice look it is giving. So guys, we are in middle of crowd. Just for seeing one pandal, we have to stand for 1 hour of crowd from now on. It is good that we came yesterday and saw all that without crowd. Look at the crowd, guys. Look at the crowd. Fully crowded. How to get out of this somehow? I didn't even want to go that way. Somehow I got in the middle of this without me knowing. Let's go. Because yesterday was Sunday, we got to go everywhere very faster and quicker without any crowd. But today it is not like that, guys. The crowd is coming more and more into the places, into the pandals to see the makings of idols and the pandals makings with bamboo and lightings of the cities, various spots. Look at the crowd. Somehow I have to get out of this. Let's keep on coming, keeping on coming without an end. So anyway, I saw most of the main pandals. Now only 2 or 3 are there. That maybe I will come next year and see in next year's Sunday. That will be better, I guess. So let's see what to do. Whether the crowd will be lowering as time passes, or will it become more? Let's go and see. I jumped out of there somehow. Now let's go to another big pandal. Over somewhere it is there. That's it. Let's go. Aside it is fully crowded and the queue is not moving at all. Look at that. They're standing. Oh my god. Good thing we came on Sunday. Wow. Yeah. Let's go. So guys, we have come to the next pandal. You can't see in this mode. Let me change it for it. There. Look at that. The crowd. Today the crowd has increased because Monday it is. Yesterday it was Sunday, so everyone took a leave, I guess. There's a pandal. Yeah, that's one. Today fully crowded. So seeing just one pandal now. From now on, I guess we'll have to wait for 1 hour queue or something. So we can see the whole view from here. There is where we are going now. Look at the crowd. There's Tomal Duck. He's waving his hand over there. Let's make it more clearer. There. can see some other cartoons. So there's one which we are going. Fountains are active. It's not much clear. We are getting near by near. View from side. This is the entrance. Here is the exit after doing the darshan. They are blocking over there. We have to go by this way. Guys, it's started to rain here on top of everything. Go. So guys, now we are gonna go to a place called Howrah. So I don't know what's the plan next, but anyway we got into this bus. Even the streets are very crowded. You can see over there how people are struggling. Traffic also is there. Let's go. So guys, this is the place where we visited yesterday. Look at the crowd over there. Good thing we finished yesterday, so otherwise we would have been stuck by now. Anyway, while going in bus, the view of the city is very nice. So we are we are exiting Kolkata. Thank you for visiting Kolkata is what we Howrah Bridge. It's like goodbye for now. Just sometime we'll come back again. I got to enjoy many of bundles, met many locals, got many knowledge about both good and bad. And so thanks for that, Kolkata. Now we are in Howrah. So let's go from here towards some place. Let's go for hitchhiking again.
ତାକୁ କେମିତି କହିଲି ମୁଁ ତ ଲସି